What's up from real Jamaican life here? Still in the hospital, recuperating. Thanks to everybody who pray, thanks to all those who send well wishes, and thanks to all those who supporting. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. I was walking through Facebook the other day, and realized and see something in the news said this girl went to this lady went to this other lady workplace to fight or to have a altercation, and the lady where they work at the place, light the other lady a fire, or throw the gas pan her and light her a fire. And I look into it and I say, boy, everybody now me hear say she's been charged. I look into it and I say, if you come to my workplace for war with me, I go defend myself. And anything me have around me, I go use it to defend myself. Because that is the human nature, everybody wants to live. Now, I really regret say boy the girl burn, as me I hear say 50% of her body burn up. And when you gas something and light it, a serious burn. A serious burn. So now the family is seeking aid to help with the burn victim. But yeah, what the girl do is wrong, but also both sides wrong. Both sides wrong. You can't go to the woman workplace to go on war with the woman. And then me hear say I be a beat up. Me hear say the girl beat up the pump attendant and stab her up, and so she defend herself and gas her and light her. And I look into it and I say, we Jamaican, we need love in our heart. We need love in our heart, We need to stop think about choosing violence to solve the simplest of things.